All right, before people start asking questions on how to use my templates, you'll download the PDF file for the panels. Now, if you're doing vector art, that's a completely different program, and different thing, because the vector art is actually for cutting vinyl stickers and decals. All right, so when you print it out, it's going to come page by page, 1, 2, 3. You're going to line your seams up, just like this. Now there's going to be an empty spot in between there. Of course, that's just the way it is. You're going to take your piece of tape, you can line it up, slap a piece of tape on there. Make sure your seams are nice and even. You're going to go to your next page, line it up, and take the tape, put it out on there, just like that, piece of cake, and piece of cake. Again, you're going to want to print this out on 8.5 by 11 letter size, standard letter size US paper. This will give you the exact measurements. That's what these are, the exact scale of that thing. There's no need to upscaling, downscaling, nothing. So when you start laying these out, these are going to be the exact scaling that you need. So all the panels are the exact scaling, even if you're doing the door panels, bottom door panels for the back, like this one is, or if you're doing the rear recessed window covers, the door panel cover for the sliding door, or if you're doing the little lock-in wire loom cover holes in your van. So this is how you do it. It's very simple, basic, and easy. Remember, you need 8.5 by 11 letter size paper. You'll print that out. There will be a little seam hole in between these two spots. You can just draw it in there, or when you go to cut it out, you'll just cut it straight across there and you won't need to see it anyway. These are your reference holes for your drilling. If there's any reference holes needed, they're pre-marked on there. Again, this is to 100% scale. When you cut this out, this should fit exactly in that panel. There shouldn't be any modifications. Now, if you're doing the rear windows, where the rear windows would be in the van, and they're not, but you're making the cover plates, the cover panels, depending on if you're the UK or the United States, one of them has a little small cutout in the bottom that you have to cut out. On mine, it is the driver's side. On the other UK, it could be the passenger side. I don't know. Again, I'm not in the UK. But again, this is how to download the PDF and how to make the templates for the FTCs. And thank you for watching.